A cosmic wonder has just been unveiled in our solar system. Scientists have discovered an interstellar visitor that is not of this world. It's a fascinating object that has puzzled astronomers since its discovery in 2019. And now they're shedding new light on this enigmatic being, revealing secrets it's been hiding for eons. But what exactly is this object, and why does it have scientists so intrigued? Fasten your seatbelts and prepare to embark on a journey through the cosmos as we unveil the mysteries surrounding 31 ATLAS, a cosmic marvel that has captured the attention of scientists from around the world. Join us as we delve deep into the latest discoveries about this interstellar wanderer, exploring the groundbreaking research that is shedding new light on its composition, behavior, and possible origins. Get ready to be amazed by the mind-boggling revelations that await us as we uncover the secrets of 3I Atlas and its profound implications for our understanding of the universe. 31 ATLAS, officially named Comet Borisov, it's a fascinating celestial object that was first sighted in 2019. What sets this comet apart from others is that it's the first interstellar object, or ISO, that has been definitively confirmed to originate outside of our solar system. Its discovery was a groundbreaking moment for astronomers who had long suspected that such objects existed but had never been able to confirm it. The confirmation of 3I Atlas as an ISO provided the first tangible evidence of the building blocks of life existing beyond our planetary system. 31 ATLAS was initially sighted by the Atlas and Midway Sky Survey telescopes in Hawaii in March of 2019. At the time, astronomers were unsure of its origin, but after further observation and analysis, it became clear that the comet was on a trajectory that would take it out of our solar system. This made it the first known interstellar object to have entered and exited our solar system. The discovery of 3I Atlas was a monumental achievement for astronomers who had been searching for signs of life beyond our planet for decades. The confirmation that the comet contained organic molecules, the building blocks of life, was particularly exciting. It suggested that the conditions necessary for life may be more common in the universe than previously thought. The discovery also raised a number of questions about the origin and composition of 3I Atlas, and its implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. As astronomers continue to study the comet, they hope to learn more about its composition and behavior, and ultimately gain a better understanding of the possibility of life elsewhere in the universe. Scientists are still trying to determine what 3I Atlas is made of. However, they have some theories based on its appearance and behavior. One theory is that 3I Atlas is a dirty snowball made of ice, dust, and rock. Comets are known to be composed of these materials, and 3I Atlas seems to be no exception. Another theory is that 3I Atlas is a fragment of a larger body that was broken apart by a collision. This could explain the comet's unusual shape and size. Additionally, it could also explain why 3I Atlas appears to be more reflective than other comets. If it is a fragment, then it may contain materials that are more reflective than the typical cometary material. Scientists are also investigating the possibility that 3I Atlas is a Kuiper belt object. These are icy bodies that orbit the Sun in the outermost regions of the solar system. If 3I Atlas is a Kuiper belt object, then it may have been pushed out of the solar system by the gravitational pull of Neptune. It's important to note that all of these are just theories, and scientists need more data to confirm any of them. The mission to study 3I Atlas is ongoing, and scientists are eagerly awaiting the results of the analysis. The chemical composition of 3I Atlas will provide valuable insights into its origin and evolution. Scientists believe that the comet's composition will help them determine whether it came from a cold or hot region of space. If it came from a cold region, then it would suggest that it formed in a more distant part of the universe. On the other hand, if it came from a hot region, then it would indicate that it originated closer to a star. The temperature at which 3I Atlas formed would also provide clues about the conditions under which it evolved. For example, if it formed in a cold environment, then it would have had more time for complex molecules to form. This could explain why 3I Atlas contains organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Conversely, if it formed in a hot environment, then it would have been more likely to break down simpler molecules into more complex ones. This could explain why 3I Atlas appears to be more reflective than other comets. By studying the chemical composition of 3I Atlas, scientists hope to piece together its history and gain a better understanding of how life may have originated on Earth. The shape and size of 3I Atlas are also providing scientists with valuable insights into its nature. The comet's irregular shape suggests that it is not a solid body, but rather a collection of fragments held together by gravity. This is supported by the fact that 3I Atlas appears to be highly reflective, indicating that it is made up of loose material rather than a dense, compact mass. Additionally, the size of 3I Atlas is much smaller than expected, suggesting that it is only a fragment of the original body that was broken apart by a collision. All of these clues are helping scientists to develop a more complete picture of 3I Atlas and its origins. As the mission to study 3I Atlas continues, scientists are eagerly awaiting the results of the analysis. The data they collect will help them to understand the composition, behavior, and origin of this mysterious object. Ultimately, the mission will provide us with a better understanding of the universe and our place in it. There are several methods that scientists use to study the composition of 3I Atlas. One, the most effective methods is spectroscopy. This involves analyzing the light that passes through or is reflected by the comet to identify the elements and compounds present in its composition. Scientists can also use spectroscopy to study the gases and dust in the coma or cloud of gas and dust that surrounds the comet. Another method scientists use to study the composition of 3I Atlas is by analyzing the gases and dust that are released from the comet as it approaches the Sun. This process, known as outgassing, releases material from the interior of the comet, providing scientists with another way to analyze its composition. Additionally, scientists are also using imaging techniques to study the shape and structure of 3I Atlas. By imaging the comet from different angles, scientists can create a three-dimensional model that reveals its size, shape, and surface features. These methods are providing scientists with a wealth of data about the composition of 3I Atlas. By combining the results of their analysis, scientists are piecing together a detailed picture of what this mysterious object is made of and where it came from. The data they collect will help us to understand the origins of our solar system and the possibility of life beyond Earth. The behavior of 3I Atlas as it approaches the Sun is also providing scientists with valuable insights into its composition. Comets are known to change in appearance as they approach the Sun, and 3I Atlas is no exception. As the comet gets closer to the Sun, it begins to release gases and dust from its surface, creating a cloud of material that surrounds the comet. This process, known as outgassing, provides scientists with a unique opportunity to study the composition of the comet. By analyzing the gases and dust that are released, scientists can determine what elements and compounds are present in the comet's interior. Additionally, the behavior of 3I Atlas as it approaches the Sun is also providing scientists with information about its size and shape. Comets are often irregularly shaped, and 3I Atlas is no exception. As the comet approaches the Sun, its shape becomes more apparent, and scientists can use this information to create a model of the comet's structure. This is important because the size and shape of a comet can provide clues about its composition and origin. Overall, the behavior of 3I Atlas as it approaches the Sun is providing scientists with a wealth of information about this mysterious object. By studying the comet's outgassing and its shape, scientists are able to determine its composition and learn more about its origins. The data they collect will help us to understand the origins of our solar system and the possibility of life beyond Earth. As 3I Atlas continues its journey through our solar system, scientists will continue to monitor its behavior and composition. With each new observation, we learn more about this mysterious object and its possible origins. The data collected will provide us with a better understanding of the universe and our place in it. So keep looking up to the stars and stay curious. Who knows what wonders we might find next?